on Smart TV. Stream music and movies, connect with friends, and everything else you love. The leaders in Smart TVs are gearing up for 8K Craig's Super Sale 46. Get store-wide savings up to $1,100 on all Samsung TVs. 8K Craig, we help. Kelly Blue Book.
Thomas is completely defenseless. Did you see that? Because he's coming across, worried about Voracek. And then all of a sudden, because Steinberg got that stick down, trying to make a play. Hey, that's a real good 5-hole. Nice shot, man.
No, just what you planned it. I mean, Dennis Steinberg, of course, he's the player for the Flyers. Maybe had a flashback. They don't trying to tip it in the way.
You know what? Voracek driving the net behind him and stepping by Thornton. When he picks him up visually, he's like, oh, wow, I got to do something. But he acts it too quickly.
Just replay, and you only see the end result. His stick is in perfect position. And we'll see what you're talking about here. Voracek's speed. Everything was speed up.
Seisberg only realized that Voracek was behind him at the last second. But the brilliant play was made by Timo Timonen with the 150-foot bank pass off the boards to that guy, Max Talbot.
Timonen and Rizal with the assist. Talbot's 11th of the year is 205. Rizal getting the score sheet.
Rizal on clear wasn't exactly a masterpiece.
No. Turnover here. Here's the left. Hustle to Karen. He's stopped by Thomas. The other side. He comes out in front. Flyers Bundy is now also where he's alliance with it. Road is gone away because the Flyers had a goal against Chris Thomas, which they did not get in December, and they have responded to Warren's early goal. 3 seconds apiece in the first 3 minutes of the first period. That's where we go across there to Wade Shen. Kicks it ahead. Shen holds up. Trying to get that puck to Boyle and Johnson, but on net by Thomas. The puck deflects ahead to Daniel Pyatt. High. The Philadelphia line working on Giroux. He gets around him. High. Got his shot. Johnson rebounded. Stopped off as well. Back to Steinberg. A shot blocked. Thompson high again. All the way into the crowd.
Wow, this is going to be a good hockey game. What a pace.
Oh, Julian. Outstanding job, of course. He rose to the cup last year. And the trophy winner back in 09.
Championship?
Not afraid to call his players either, Coach. No, I'm making it. This year a couple of times. They need more from him.
Get the jaws of life out. Running apart in the crease. The puck looks like it's going to follow Max Talbot in this game. That's caromed out off the glass on one of the partitions right to Max Talbot. I think it surprised him as much as anybody. But he took Thomas ready to go. He was waiting for it.
Right there you can see Steinberg. Probably not too happy about what just happened, so he's being a little bit more aggressive and trying to get Thomas to try to take up to that. Thomas has the biggest strength in the world, but very acrobatic, covers a lot of space, and he's down in that hard line. 15 times a long time.
Convinced the coach. He finally done it, hasn't he?
I have come out publicly and said I apologize. Okay, Michael Klaus signed him, and like, are you on your mind?
Something you don't see very often is Sean Couturier on the back checking, trying to recover again in the play and to swing like that. He took a two-hander and hit Marchand up high. I mean, if you're going to pick anybody you want to pick, the Bruins doesn't have max distractions, Brad Marchand, but you don't want to end up in the penalty box.
That was a pretty good effort by Marchand. He's got a little bit of a temper himself. For him not to respond there, gotta give him some credit.
Okay. He's run. He gave Thomas a pretty good jolt.
Yeah.
And then the play did prior to that when they strung it up in front. But the powerful
visit PhiladelphiaFlyers.com.
Meet the 2012 Mazda 3 sedan and 5-door, featuring class exclusive technology like available blind spot alerts, and crafted by a team of obsessive engineers. Because to us, if it's not worth driving, it's not worth building. We build Mazdas. What do you drive? Now, lease the 2012 Mazda 3 for just $159 a month.
Tuesday night, the Flyers head into the All-Star break against the Florida Panthers. After the final going, get expert answers on Flyers postgame live. Flyers and Panthers. Coverage begins with Flyers pregame live Tuesday night at 7. Only on Comcast Sportsnet. We live Philly Sport.
1/3 of the game in the books so far here in South Philadelphia. The Boston Bruins with a 3-1 lead over your Philadelphia Flyers. We welcome you into Intermission Live alongside Al Morgani. I'm Greg Murphy, and we mentioned a lot happening in that first period, including those 4 goals. But man, oh man, if you like a rough style play, if you like a little physicality, Al, that first period was for you.
Yeah, absolutely. This is Lucic says the kid, "Yeah, you want to go? Let's go." And it turned into a pretty good bout. And Lucic already had 2/3 of the Gordie Howe going. Got the cheap goal off his goal. But give the Flyers full marks. The last time they were in here, Jody Shelley went right at Sheriff. So they're going right into the Bruins' wheelhouse and saying, "You know what? You want to play that way? We'll try to match it that way." And